Welcome to my channel, IOD Designs. I'm Leslie. I wanted to create these beautiful French panels to go on my desk right here where I take my final videos and pictures. I'll be using IOD's Trimmings 3, then Redesigns Salon de Noble, and the Angelic Aura molds. And for my castings, I'll be using Let's Resin to create these panels. This is my first time to use the product Let's Resin. I'll be giving you my thoughts on that. Here I used what I had left of Amazing Castings on these molds, and I like Amazing Castings. It is a good product. I had this double bifold door. It's been just sitting in the corner in my stash, and I decided to make 4 panels, so I cut this board in half and created 4 panels. First thing I did was start pouring all my castings, and I painted each one letterpress gray, and that is a DIY paint. I had also painted all 4 of my panels the same color because I'll be using milk paint, and I wanted the weathered gray look showing underneath. This is just a short recap video. This was such a big project, it was hard to film. Now this is my first time using Let's Resin, so I'm going to unbox it and show you how it came to me. I ordered this off of Amazon. As you can see, it comes with the gloves, and then it comes with port A and port B. And also it came with that stir stick, and I absolutely love that thing. The resin, once it hardens, it cleans off easily. And of course you have your instructions. It's the same, it's a 1-to-1 ratio by weight or by volume. I ordered the 60 ounce, so you get 30 ounces of port A, 30 ounces of port B. And it does come, as you can see, they're both sealed. So I'm going to get the plastic off of this and let's give it a try. I got the first batch measured and poured in my first mold, and there is no bad odor. It says the working time, you got 2 minutes and 10-minute fast curing. It also dries white. I'm just kind of watching it, and there, as you can see, it's starting to turn white. Would I buy this product again? Absolutely. I really like this product. The only thing is it did take a little bit longer to cure, but that's okay. It took more like 15 to 20 minutes. I believe I paid $39.99 for this, so it's very reasonable and affordable. As I got my castings made and painted, I started laying everything out exactly how I wanted it. And as always, I used Titebond Quick and Thick to put down my castings. You can use any kind of glue you want. It took me a couple of days to make these panels, but that was working leisurely. I was in no big rush. So once I got all 4 panels done and glued down, I don't show this part, but I used Sweet Pickins milk paint in the color Flour Sack, and I gave all 4 a good coat and let that dry. I also used Rub and Buff, and just with my finger, I highlighted all the castings with gold. Once again, we come to the end of this little video. I absolutely love my panels, and it was so much fun. Thank you everyone for watching. Please like and subscribe. Thank you.